This is Frank. Like many great inventors before him, he is driven by the desire to automate his work. Like the invention of the windmill or the steam engine, this could be one of the moments in human history that we will look back on with pride for a long time to come. Okay, wow, I didn't see that coming. Need some help, Frank? I think KUKA's got something for you. With the LBR Easy, you don't have to be a genius to develop great automated solutions. It's simple, intuitive, and it doesn't matter if you're an expert or a beginner. Thanks to the iiQKA.OS operating system, you have a wide range of options. The future of simple automation is now with the KUKA LBR Easy.
Industrial intelligence.